Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox not launching. So this is a very easy tutorial. The first thing to do is to simply look for your control panel. To see that or to search that, you just have to go to this area and type control panel, click open. And then here you just have to look for programs and features. And then after that, you have to scroll down and look for Roblox home or player, something like that. And then right click, then click uninstall. Okay. So after you click this uninstall, you just have to wait for a couple of minutes as it is installing. So as you can see, I am now installing my Roblox. Click OK. After uninstalling your Roblox, you just have to go to CMD prompt, click open, and then you just have to follow what I'm going to type here. Okay, so we have here cd app data slash local, click enter. And then after that, you just have to follow again what I've typed here. And then they will ask you if we are sure about this one, just type Y. And then after you type Y, you just have to restart your computer. And then after you restart your computer, you just have to open your Roblox, download again, and try to play a game. And then I really hope that after following this, it will fix Roblox not launching issue. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.